So I'm a newbie here learning about my Bernina machine, and one of the things that I noticed, it's really silly. It's really silly. But one of the things that I noticed was that when you select your feet, those little stars don't mean that they're your favorite foot. For some reason, I watched lots and lots of videos, but I always thought those were like your favorite feet. And I was trying to figure out how to select them and make it not my favorite. It turns out they're not about just being your favorite feet. They're the best feet that the machine recommends for what you're trying to sew. For example, right now I just have my regular 1C foot, and because I'm just sewing a straight stitch, and it recommends that for that stitch any of these other ones would work. If I show you, for example, if you want to try to make a buttonhole, and I select any of these, it's going to recommend, oh, the 1C foot works as well, I guess. But if you go to the feet, the best ones to use are the 3A, as you can see here, and it puts the main one, the best one, here in the corner. So note to self, the little stars on these feet are not your favorites. They are just the recommended one for whatever it is that you're trying to stitch out. So yeah, not favorites, just the best. I hope this helps somebody.